I actually wasn't going to really do an intro. I was just going to kind of go for this, but I changed my mind. I figured I'd just show you guys what my hair is looking like. I've given it a few weeks and the weird pinkness has kind of come out, and here's my regrowth. So this is the silver hair redemption. I'm going to go ahead and lighten the regrowth, and then I'm going to lighten. There's a band in it, which is why it's holding the yellow and I can't get it like a smooth color. There's like a band right here. Can you see it? The plan is to lighten it and get an even base so we can color it and it'll be better. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before real quick. Here is our canvas of hair, and I'm hoping this is going to be the silver hair redemption video. So here's what we're using this time. This is Lunar Tides Silver Lining. I have used this color, but it was probably in 2017 I used it. We're in 2026, so it's been a while. It used to come in a jar, so it came in like a packet now, but it is a semi-permanent color. There's 4 ounces in it. When they used to make this, I could only find it on Etsy, but they have it like everywhere now. They have their own website. I think I got this on Amazon actually, I don't know. Here is the back. Here's what the expected results are for how light your hair is. And friends, we're pretty light today. Apply to clean dry hair, wait for 30 minutes. It's, you know, run of the mill. The only thing is I actually might dilute it just a little bit, and that's only because at the last minute I've decided to put 40 grams of extensions in my hair. So I've got those, and I dipped them in purple shampoo to like lightly tone them, because I was gonna do them when I first did it silver, but my hair turned out like crap and I didn't want to do that. So I don't know if I have enough color for my hair plus the extensions, so I'm gonna dilute it just a little bit with this conditioner that I have. I don't know if I've used Lunar Tides on the channel. I've used it in the past on myself, but I don't know if I've used it on the channel. Oh, I can smell it. It has a sweet smell. It's very purpley. It reminds me of Pulp Riot Nevermore. Like, it's like that color. Some in the bowl. We'll give it a squirt. I think I got about half of the packet in there. I did not want to, like I said, I'm using the rest of this for my extensions that I have in the bathroom that I've decided to color at the last minute. And I don't have time to put them in today because we are upstairs watching Ink Master. And I ran down here real quick to throw this color in my hair, so I'm gonna get back upstairs and keep watching Ink Master in a minute. Anyway, that's irrelevant. Here's the color. I just put like this much conditioner in it, stretch it a little bit farther. So here it is now. It actually looks kind of like the brush. We're just gonna throw this up on here. We're in the hair coloring part of the video, yay. I don't know, it's just so relaxing seeing color put on your hair. I wanted to talk about the consistency of the color real quick. It's very like average. It's a good consistency to work with. It's like, it's not too runny, but it's not too like plain either. It's really, really good to work with. And when I was looking back at this video, I was like, oh my gosh, the shade of purple that it is really, really nice, because you can really get in there and see how saturated it is. Like as I'm coloring, I was like, oh my gosh, you can really see what areas need to go and what doesn't. I didn't really like think about that at the time of coloring my hair, but looking back, I'm like, oh my gosh, this was really good. Talk about wanting to color it red at the end of the video, but I did order a second color with this one. I ordered Lunar Tides, I think it's called Blood Moon, and it is like a crimson red shade. So I don't know when I'll put that in my hair. Maybe closer to fall, because I don't know, this silvery color is really cool. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk about the consistency, and like, look at that. As I'm checking my hair, bam, you can really see like what needs worked on. It was really good color to work with. I also wanted to mention while we're here that it is currently listed at $13.49 on Amazon for 4 fluid ounces. I completely forgot to look that up. And they also have it in 8-ounce packets or tubes, whatever, for $19.99, and that's what it currently is on Amazon. But yeah, it's $13.49 on Amazon, and it's also $13.49 on their website and $19.99 on both for the 8-ounce. This is another side note, but I think that this would be a really cool color to see up next to Arctic Fox Sterling. I have high hopes for this. It's looking great. I'm hoping this is the silver hair redemption. I'm really excited. I am gonna let this sit on for as long as I feel like it. I've got a date upstairs with Ink Master and pizza. Next time you guys see me will be, hopefully I'll wash it out and dry my hair and actually get up to, because I have to work tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get up and style it, do my makeup. Everything I do depends on the baby. He's an early bird like his mama. He'd be waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Silver is like my favorite hair color, and I feel like crap that it didn't turn out great the past time. So I have high hopes this time. See you guys in a minute. Alright, what do we think? My bangs are kind of laying a little weird, but I wanted to part my hair so you guys could see the color. Alright, I turned on another light. Is that too much light? When it was processing, I was like, ooh, I was taking a look at it and I was like, ooh, I really like violet-based silvers. And then when I rinsed it, I don't know, I feel like it's giving like a little bit blue-based, which I'm fine with too. My daughter, she saw it and she was like, oh, mommy, you did your hair blue. So I don't know. Do y'all think it looks blue? I did my makeup earlier and I asked my daughter if she liked it and she's like, yeah. And she said, you look like one of the night ninjas from PJ Masks. And I had to Google what that was. And I ain't gonna lie, she kind of cooking with that one. I don't know. I know it looks better than it did. We're getting somewhere. And I did my extensions too. They definitely took the color a little different than my hair. They grabbed a little bit more of the, I don't know, the violet-y tones. I gotta wait to put those in. I've got like some beads, but I need a different type. I need the tube looking ones. Let me try to fix my hair so it's laying to where I don't look stupid. This is good color. I think it just looks good, and hopefully it holds up really well. Sometimes with silvers you rinse your hair and then it's like, oh, I gotta touch them up. Show you kind of like the side so you can see it a little bit better. And as always, every time I get my hair to like a really nice color and I'm like, oh cool, we're gonna keep this for a while, now I have the urge to want to do it red. So we're gonna see where that goes. Pretty happy with this. I'm digging it. I think it looks good. My hair is a little dry and it feels a little poopy, but that's not the color's fault. It's the bleach. I think it did good, and I had enough color. Of course, I had to dilute it some, so it is like diluted. I did my hair and then I did my extensions, which this is like 40 grams of I-tip extensions. They don't look the same color as my hair, but hopefully when I get them in there, they will. And the reason I got those is because my hair is finally growing. It's like way down here, and from where the front is lightened and broken, it's like to here. So there's a difference of a few inches from this hair here to this hair here. So I kind of just want to put some pieces around the front so that this matches up with this, so that's the same. And after I ordered them, I was kind of like, ooh, what if I took some and I did like a row on the underneath so I had some silver coming through? I don't know if I have enough. I have like this much hair. I might just put them in the front and we'll go from there. When my new beads for those come in, I'll make another video putting these I-tips in. I'm really excited about that. I kind of want to keep it silver for a while because I don't know, it's a vibe. And it's like a nice neutral shade that it kind of matches more. Because if I do it red, I'm going to be stuck with warm tones. But if I keep it silvery for a while, then I'm not stuck. I can do more things with it. And a lot of people that have seen me in real life since I did like, I already forgot. Whatever the last toner I did was, it wasn't even as good as this, and people were still saying they liked it. So I think people are gonna really like this. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!